Well, it's Thursday. It's about, what time is it? Noon. That's off by 6 minutes. We're going to do a little bit of deer hunting. Just a couple hours worth today. That's her fancy gun. Posted a video of her shooting it. And going to see what we can find. Just going to go walk down some of the back trails by my house. And, well, not quite by the house, but about 5-minute drive from here, which would be like an hour walk. So, got some goats behind me there, trimming on some grass, doing good. Working on extending the fence, so I brought last night a couple more poles here, and there's a whole pile more at the front of the trailer there, so going to work on that. That's the plan for later on today, unless we get a deer, but again, right now we're looking for biggies or no deer. So beautiful up here. Yes, I'm on the edge of a pit. Just walked all the way from the very end there. Came out of the bush and just walked the ledge sides here. Girlfriend's in the bush chasing a ghost. I mean, maybe a deer. And we're just gonna walk up to that trail where they're logging and then cut across another trail. Don't want to get in their way. But I had to climb up the sand hill because it's beautiful. And of course, I got the Encore with me. 50 cal. You got your first Bambi. Yeah, we're just in the bush there. You could see trail. She was a runner.
She bled lots too.
Oh yeah, but also had lots left in her. So she's there. Not the cleanest shot in the world, but didn't mess up the meat. One of the back legs might have got destroyed. The deer was facing her and somehow clipped the back leg. And yeah, she left a lot of blood, but it's not too far from the truck and everything's good. I'll try to maybe do a better picture once I get out of there. It's about a 2.5-year-old doe, so it's a fairly big one. She had a set of tits on her, so you know she had fawns at one time. Okay, so the deer was actually standing up on top of that hill right there. And little do we know, there was water in that hole. So after dissecting, what happened is, I can't really show this on YouTube, but on the deer here, she clipped the side of the deer and went through the back leg. So, but again, it was facing her. It's never blew the guts up somehow. I don't believe that. What?
Pure luck.
Pure luck, yeah. And it bled out. And just happens to be a trail that follows back that way. So I heard it rustle in the bush and it went down pretty quick after that. So, and we still got another 2 hours of hunting. So who knows, might get another one on the way out. Oh, and by the way, it's a doe. I already said that, about 2.5-year-old doe, fair-sized doe. And freaking deer was pretty stupid, yeah. But, okay. We got her loaded up and we're out of here. My feet are tired. I did too much walking today. So what do you think of that thing hanging in here?
I don't like it because I love animals.
Would you shoot one?
No.
Now you're changing your mind. Before you were all happy about shooting a deer and now you won't?
No, I said maybe before if I point a gun at a deer, I probably won't be able to pull the trigger because I love animals.
Oh.
I love eating.
Yeah, you're going to eat this and you're going to love it. We'll see tonight. Guess what's for supper? You'll eat its butt steak. Butt steak?
Baby girl, show some respect. This animal gave its life so that we could eat this winter.
It didn't give its life, you shot it.
Oh.
Well, it wouldn't have been there for me to shoot if it wasn't ready to give its life for our family. Go on in the house if it makes you uncomfortable. I'll bring it in raw and pre-packaged like it comes from the grocery store for you, you big wussy.
Back straps. Fresh back straps. This deer was running around, what, less than 5 hours ago? Yummy! It's gonna be good when she's done making a stir fry. Yummy. Back straps. into a stir fry. Don't do it. Don't commit suicide, goat. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. How did you get out of your pen? Don't do it. Don't do it. You're gonna hurt yourself. That's how you guys got out. Uh-oh. Wait, where did you just... Oh, okay.